My Xbox doesn't work, guys. That's why I haven't done gaming Wednesday, because my Xbox doesn't work. So, I might do some stuff on the Wii, but don't really like the Wii. So, you guys leave it in the comments saying what you think it is that's wrong, because I pushed the button and it doesn't come on. Yeah, let me show you. Okay. Now, do you guys see anything in there? Guys, I don't know what's wrong with it. I think Minecraft is stuck in it. I think it's stuck. I'll hold down the button and it won't do anything. I don't know what's wrong with that.
No, SpongeBob, you failed. It is not you that's failed, SpongeBob. It's Mrs. Puff that's failed you. You are relieved of your teaching duties. I won't be teaching SpongeBob anymore.
It's gone, guys. It's done for. Unless this, whatever this thing is, whatever this thing is, has to plug into the back. But it's been sitting here for a while, and it's been working great. So, just wanna say that. Gaming Wednesday won't be on for a while. My mom and me can find out what's wrong. Bye, guys.